5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All system ready.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are fine. At the previous meeting, we discussed the use of natural resources in economic activities. On the material, is there anything to ask before I move on the next material? If nothing is asked, I will explain the next material, which is about ethnic and cultural diversity. Ethnic and cultural diversity. Big cities in Indonesia, such as Jakarta, Surabaya, and Medan, are places where people from different ethnic groups gather, with a variety of different customs designed to adapt to other members of the community from different tribes. So, even though they have different ethnic groups, different nation, culture, they still respect and appreciate each other. This is in accordance with the notion of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which is that although they are different, they are still one. Understanding Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, ethnic and cultural diversity and national symbol of Indonesia, is the angle. The angle with grip the ribbon that reads Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means that although they are different, they are still one. The Indonesia state consists of 33 provinces, of course have various ethnic groups, culture and custom. These different should not be used as big problem, but I can enrich culture and ethnic diversity. B. The importance of unity in diversity. The condition of Indonesia in the form of an archipelago allows diversity of ethnic groups. Culture and custom also allow the emergence of dispute between regions. It is often reported on television or newspaper about disputes between cities in our country. There are even some arts that want to be independent spirit from the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia. What happened? It turned out that the conflict and rebellion only brought calamity and misery to the ethnic group. Many innocent kittens become victims. This does not need to happen if there is award and maturity of each individual to realize that basically nothing in the world is the same. The diversity of ethnic group and culture is not used as an excuse to fight, but rather that diversity can strengthen the strength of the unity state of the Republic of Indonesia. With unity and every threat challenge distributes and obstacle, but from within and from outside is easily overcome. See, from of ethnic and cultural diversity. Ethnic group in Indonesia compared to other countries. Indonesia is the richer in ethnic and cultural diversity. Various ethnic groups live from Sabang to Merauke. There are also various cultures that are spread throughout the archipelago, from traditional culture, dance and folk songs, regional languages, musical instruments to traditional house and traditional ceremony. Everything has its own uniqueness. Their diversity of ethnic groups and culture occurs because of the location of the territory of Indonesia, which consists of an archipelago. There are even some islands that are remote and cannot be connected with other arts. These separate arts led to various different and this gives rise to ethnic and cultural diversity. One ethnic of Indonesia. Ethnic is also known as race or origin of a tribe. Usually, people are still very proud of their tribal origin. They like to rely on praise each other. Custom and habits. Some of them still live in rural areas and are isolation from other arts. They are also those who have mingled with modern society. In the area where you live, of course, it is not inhabited by only one ethnic group. This shows that ethnic groups in Indonesia do not inhabit a certain place because of work assignment, marriage, or because of studying. A person can accompany another art with a different ethnic group. For example, the province of East Kalimantan is inhabited by Benue tribe. However, the art is also inhabited by other ethnic groups. Two culture in Indonesia. Culture in Indonesia, the country of the highest order of culture. Religion in Indonesia grow and develop from generation to generation. The culture of the Indonesian nation consists of various regional cultures such as traditional ceremony, regional arts, traditional house, traditional culture, and others. The diversity of regional culture in Indonesia is an invaluable wealth so that many foreigners are interested in learning first religion arts. In fact, many Indonesian culture missions are exhibited abroad and admired by foreign nationals. Here are some examples of regional culture in Indonesia. A. Regional dance. Lambung, Jangget, Melinting, Bedana. DKI Jakarta, topeng, sembah, cokek, belenggu, samroh, kuncul. Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta, golek, kembaran, budaya. Jawa Tengah, Serimbi, Gambyong, Bondan, Gambiranom. Kalimantan Timur, Budonggong, Perang, Bekan. B. Folk songs. Lampung, Lipang-Lipang Dang. Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta, Pitik, Tukung, Mojopat. Jawa Timur, Tanduk, Majeng, Gai Bintang, Keraben Sape. Kalimantan Barat, Cici Periuk. Kalimantan Timur, Indung-Indung. Traditional clothes. Lampung, Kawai, Sinjang Tapis, celana, bebet, kikat, singger, selambok, kakai, pungeo, alali, selop. DKI Jakarta, sorban, jubang panjang, celana panjang, siangko, baju encim, teropah. Jawa Tengah, kuluk, jas sikepan, sabuk, kain batik keris, alas kaki, kebaya panjang, subang, kalung, gelang, cincin. Kalimantan Selatan, lampi, salawar, baju talo, belangga, baju kebaya, baju kurung basisip, baju loyang. Di regional musical instrumen. Lampung, gambus. DKI Jakarta, gambang, rebab, cidor, krimung, kromong, kecrek, terompet, klarinet, piccolo, tambur. Jawa Barat, kendang, gamelan, suling, cingklong, angklung, calung. Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta, gendang, bonang, gempol, selentem, rebab, gender. Local language. Lampung, DKI Jakarta, Betawi, Jawa Barat, Sunda, Bali. Daerah Istimewa Yogyakarta, Jawa, Jawa Tengah, Jawa, Jawa Timur, Jawa, Madura, Tengger. D. Custom in the community. Have you ever had a traditional ceremony in your art? Are you following him? Various ethnic groups in Indonesia preserve various activities, especially traditional ceremony. Traditional ceremony is an activity that is commonly carried out in an area since time immemorial. There are some areas that still have strong customs. They carry out traditional ceremony carefully and completely. However, there are some areas, especially in urban areas, which in carrying out customs have begun to be regular. This means that they are not bound by the various and equipment that should be provided to carry out the traditional ceremony. In the implementation of custom, traditional culture are used, accompanied by regional dance and regional song with traditional musical instruments. Traditional ceremony in certain areas are still mandatory and must be carried out. Even the types of culture and customs are usually displayed over the festival. Customs that are traditional are only applied in remote areas, rural areas, or in the village environment. Meanwhile, people who live in urban areas and have diverse communities are not longer to concrete with holding various traditional ceremonies. The types of traditional ceremonies that are still often found in the community are as follows. Traditional ceremony in various provinces. Lampung ngalepaskon niat ngerujak ngilimau bujenong. Jaru marga Bubang Aji. DKI Jakarta sedekah laut melepas perahu baru waktu bertani. Di Yogyakarta ruatan suran puputan midodareni. Jawa Timur kasodo ruatan sunatan midodareni. How to value diversity in society. Are you bothered by their habits? Of course not. This difference can be taken as positive value and can broaden horizon. In short, how to appreciate the diversity that exists in society is as follows. 1. Not insulting or belittling habits that are different from ours. 2. Do not feel that one's culture and habits are more civilized and better than other ethnic groups. 3. Feel that you have the culture of other regions in Indonesia as a national culture. 4. Feel proud that the Indonesian people have a variety of cultures so as to strengthen the sense of unity and oneness. A few attitudes of accepting ethnic and cultural diversity. In a society, there can be several ethnic groups, so that everyone can accept the diversity that exists in society. The following attitudes are needed. 1. One of have ethnic and cultural diversity. 2. Be grateful to accept difference from the different ethnic group. 3. Seriously in studying the difference in culture with other ethnic group. 4. Never feel that one's of culture is better than the culture of others. So in closing, the symbol of Indonesia is the graduate bride. The graduate bride's red grip a ribbon that reads Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means that although they are different, they are still one. The diversity of ethnic group and culture is not used as an excuse for fighting, but rather that diversity can strengthen the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia. With unity and unity every their challenge disturbed and obscured both from within and without can be overcome. The diversity of ethnic group and culture is location in the territory of Indonesia, which consists of archipelagic arcs. Even some of the small islands and cannot be connected to other regions. Spread are cause various different and give rise to ethnic and cultural diversity. So much material that I have explained about the diversity of ethnic group and culture. Is there any about the diversity of ethnic group and culture? Is there any material that is not clear? If something is not clear, please ask well. If there are not questions, I will end today's meeting by reading Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.